Hello everyone! Today I will be showing to you guys the coupons that we will be getting this coming Sunday, June 26 of 2022. So if you want to order a coupon, please follow J Family Ramos in their Facebook page. I will pop up their page in the screen. You can direct message them in their page. So we'll be getting 3 insert, 1 super saver, 1 save insert, and then smart sort insert. So in the super saver, we will be getting $1.25 on any 1 degree men, motion sense, or clinical protection deodorant product. So the expiration is July 9. And then $1.25 on any 1 degree women, motion sense, or clinical protection deodorant product. So the expiration is July 9 also. And then in the next page, a $3 off on any 2 Axe stick deodorant or body spray product. So the expiration is July 9. And then here, it's 50 cents on any 1 Breyers product. So the expiration is July 9 also. It's an ice cream. And then $1 off on any 1 Hillsman product. Expiration is July 9. 50 cents on any 2 Northsides product. Expiration is July 9 also. And then $1 off on any 1 Swab Men hair care product. The expiration is July 9. $1 off on any Suave Pro Green or Gold shampoo. The expiration is July 9 also. Then $1 off on any 1 Suave Simply Styled or Suave Pink product. And then $5 off on any 2 Shea Moisture product. So the expiration is July 9. $1 off on any 2 Suave Body Wash product. The expiration is July 9 also. And then $5 off on any 1 Nexus product. So the expiration is July 9 also. And then $3 off on any 1 Dove Amplified product. The expiration is July 9 also. And then $3 off on any 2 Dove hair care product. The expiration is July 9. So there is no Dove body wash coupon. And that's it for the super saver. So it's very thin. And next is the save insert. So we got $1 off on any 2 Ben and Jerry's pint. The expiration is July 25. $1 off on any 1 bag of cookie dough. July 25 is the expiration. $1 off on any 1 Ben & Jerry's doggy dessert. The expiration is July 25. $3 off on any 1 Dove Men Plus Care Ultimate Antiperspirant product. The expiration is July 9. $3 off on any 1 Dove Ultimate Antiperspirant Deodorant product. The expiration is July 9 also. And then we got $4 off on any 1 CeraVe Sun product. Expiration is July 16. Then we got $1 off on any 1 Listerine mouthwash product, 500 ml or larger. It includes Listerine ready tubs also and packet packs and the mist. Expiration is July 24. And then we got $3 off on any 2 Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. The expiration is July 9. The next is $3 off on any 2 Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner. The expiration is July 9 also. And then $4 off on any 2 Garnier Nutrice or Color Reviver hair color product. The expiration is July 9 also. And then next is $5 off on any 2 Garnier or what's that? Olia hair color product. The expiration is July 9. And then next is $3 off on any one Eucerin Sun product. The expiration is July 16. $5 off on any 2 Eucerin Sun product. The expiration is July 16. And $1 off on any 2 full-size Excellence or Classic recipe bars. The expiration is July 31. And then $1 off on any 2 full-size Classic recipe and or Excellence bar. The expiration is July 31. And then we got $3 off on any one System or lubricant eye product. The expiration is July 23. $6 off on any one System lubricant eye drop. This is for the 10 ml twin pack. Expiration is July 23. And then $3 off on any one System eye drop 5 ml or larger. And then $5 off on any one System eye cups, eye vitamins. Says any size. Expiration is July 23. And $5 off on any 2 copper tone product, 40 ounce or larger. Expiration is July 23. $2 off on any one copper tone product. The expiration is July 23. $5 off on any one Nexum 24 hour or 28 count or 42. The expiration is July 10. And then we got $1 off on any ear cleaner. This is the Cleaner brand. Expiration is July 31. $1 off on any emergency dietary supplement. The expiration is July 24. $1 off on any one 28 count or larger Toms. Then $1.50 on any 2 Toms 28 count or larger. The expiration is July 24. And in the last page of the save insert, we got buy one get one. This is buy one Dawn dishwashing liquid 54.8 ounce or larger and get one Dawn Easy Squeeze 12.2 to 15 ounce free up to $2.99. So that's it for the save, and let's go for the next one. So next is the Smart Sort insert. So we got $6 off two boxes of Clearol. The expiration is July 9. And then $3 off on any 1 box of Clearol. Nice and Easy or Root Touch. And then $2 off on any 1 box of Clearol Blended Up, Color Glows Up, or Root Touch Up. The expiration is July 9 also. And then $1.25 on any Alka-Seltzer Relief Chew. The expiration is July 24. $4 off on any 2 package of U by Kotex liner. The expiration is July 23. $4 off on any 2 package of U by Kotex. The expiration, this is for pads. The other one is for liner. The expiration is July 23. Then there's $1 off for the People magazine. Expiration is July 31. Then next we got $2 off on any one Lumify 2.5 ml product. The expiration is August 13. $4 off on any Lumify 7.5 ml product. expiration is August 13. And 50 cents on any specific antiperspirant deodorant, expiration is July 16. Sorry for that. And then 50 cents on any one Ladies Speak deodorant, expiration is July 16 also. And then here we got 50 cents on Reeve. The expiration is July 24. And then 50 cents for VO5. And then $1 off in Coast or Zest product. Expiration is July 24. Sorry, the product. And the next is we got 75 cents on any tuna biscuit cookie or cracker product. The expiration is August 6. And in the next page, we got $5 off on any one natural product. The expiration is September 26. $2 off on any one natural product. Expiration is September 26 also. Then we got $2 off on any one Tena product. The expiration is July 10. Before we got $5 off, but now we just got $2 off. Then $4 off when you purchase one combination of 2 items, one finish dishwasher detergent Quantum More Power and one finish additive 3-in-1 rinse. So this is $4 off. So you need to buy the item in the coupon. The expiration is July 23. And then we got buy one get one on any steam product up to $8. So the expiration is July 10. Buy one get one Reed. The expiration is July 10. So it's nice to use in Walgreens and CVS. And then $1 off on any 2 Reed product. The expiration is July 10. And then $5 off on any Refresh product. The expiration is August 20. $8 off on any 2 package of any Refresh product. The expiration is August 20 also. $5 off on any one Lactacaf eye allergy relief drop. The expiration is August 20 also. And then in the last page, we got $1.50 on any one Blue Diamond Extreme Almond. The expiration is August 28. $1 off on any one Blue Diamond Almond Bag 12 ounce or larger. And then $1 off on any 2 Blue Diamond Almond 6 ounce or cans. The expiration is August 28. So those are the coupons that we will be getting this Sunday. So there's not much. The only thing that I think that I can use is the Dawn, and then the shampoo, and then the Degree, and then the Axe, and the rest when it comes to eye drop. I don't usually coupon eye product. So if you want to order an insert, please follow J Family Ramos in their Facebook page. You can direct message them and they accept payment through PayPal. So thank you so much guys for watching and have a blessed day everyone.